Dahil monthsary namin ngayon, nahandaan ko siya ng tirang steak namin kagabi sa Father's Day. So, steak fried rice ang atake natin ngayon. Okay na yun? At least it's the thought that counts.
Asawa, cutie.
Kuha tayo naman. Oyster. At saka na fish. Soy sauce tayo. So, syempre, lagyan natin ng konting soy sauce. Hindi ko alam. Tansyahin nyo na lang. Bahala na kayo. Lagyan na din natin ng more. Nahalo-halo ko lang. Hindi ko na alam kung nilalagay ko dito. Huh?
Is there another pepper left?
Huh?
Is there another pepper left?
Yes. You want to put pepper?
Yeah, you want to throw pepper in there?
It's too late now. You should have told me earlier.
Peppers and veggies. Yeah.
Well, too late. You should have told me earlier.
Do I have to tell you everything all the time?
Yeah.
No.
Or else I'll do it my way.
You need color. That's what Gordon would say. You need color in there. You need to add the pepper for the color.
Pepper for the color.
Huh?
You want some? But it will not be soft.
I know, it's okay. Next time. Next time.
Huwag nyo nang tanungin kung bakit ganito itsura ko dahil ganito naman talaga itsura natin pag bagong gising tayo tapos magluluto. Wala nang ayos-ayos. Ito madami naman. Okay na to. Bahala na ang ano ko tsaka siya dyan. Ay, hindi ko nakahalo. Hindi tayo mapagalitan. Okay. Natin siya halo. Ayan ang itsura. Steak fried rice. Natira. Wala kahapon. Palang ang tirang kanin niya para talaga dito. Na idadagdag natin. Kahapon. Eh, paalam muna tayo sa amo natin. Daddy!
Yeah.
You want me to mix the fried rice from yesterday?
That's okay, sure.
Okay. Ayan. Pumayag. So, lagyan natin. Yan, nagkaroon ng kulay. Kasi may bell pepper yung kahapon. Mag-red plate tayo para nagliliyab ang ating pagmamahal. Charing. So, bilugin natin ang fried rice. Ito kay kuya. Yung anak ko. Único hijo. Good. Daddy. Happy monthsary.
Yeah. You beat me again. Happy Wednesday. I love you. Don't leave me down here all by myself.
Bye. Love you.